Mi Mix Alpha. The double folding smartphone is the latest innovation by Xiaomi. One of the key components of the phone, the flexible folding screen, is co-developed by Xiaomi and its supply chain partner. Aside from the screen, its design, folding mechanism and MIUI adaptation are independently developed by Xiaomi. Mi Mix Alpha is a futuristic phone that shows the many avenues for Xiaomi to explore during the 5G era. The endless screen opens up a universe with no boundaries. The top and bottom bezels are just 2.15mm. As there is no side frame, it gives you a sensational view. The limitless screen allows for pure interaction. This phone comes with more sensors than usual. With the built-in humidity and air quality sensors, it can tell you environmental information. Mi Mix Alpha comes with 7.92-inch display with a 2088x2250 pixels resolution. The most unique feature this phone offers is a 108MP camera. Do you know that the mainstream SLR cameras are still at the 10 to 20MP level? But this Mi Mix Alpha gives an astounding 108MP. This comes with 3 cameras. One with 108MP ultra-high resolution camera, 12MP telephoto camera, and 20MP ultra-wide-angle camera. Mi Mix Alpha comes with Snapdragon 855 Plus and 12GB RAM and has 512GB internal memory. Samsung Galaxy Fold. A new dawn in display technology. The foldable Infinity Flex display. A stunning 7.3-inch dynamic AMOLED display that defies expectations. Made of a revolutionary polymer material layered for slim flexibility, it's the largest Galaxy smartphone screen yet. The articulated spine makes folds smooth and graceful. An engineering marvel inspired by the precision of watch mechanics, the hinge delivers symmetrical movement that gently locks in place. So Galaxy Fold intuitively folds like a book. When folded, Galaxy Fold's slim silhouette slips easily into your bag or pocket. It also fits comfortably in your hand, putting all your apps within easy reach. The Galaxy Fold is pioneering the seamless integration of hardware and software for a foldable device. You can use up to 3 apps simultaneously and revolutionize the way you multitask. With 6 pro-grade cameras, you're sure to capture stunning photos and videos. And you can use the Infinity Flex display as a massive viewfinder. With 12GB of RAM for intensive multitasking from gaming to streaming, and even live broadcasting all at once. Plus, 512GB built-in storage is ample space for your apps and media. The dual battery with 4380 mAh capacity is a game changer that uses and recharges both cells to prevent overcharging. To save power, intelligent battery management puts apps you're not using on reserve. Microsoft Surface Duo. The Surface Duo has 2 5.6-inch displays that fold out into an 8.3-inch overall screen, and it's just 4.8mm thin. You can fold it fully over like many 2-in-1 laptops, thanks to a 360-degree hinge. Microsoft says it's committed to dual-screen devices because they allow people to get more done on the go. Microsoft abandoned the phone business in 2017 after failing to win over both consumers and app makers from Android and iOS with its Windows phones. Will the Surface Duo make a bigger splash when it finally arrives? Let's see. Microsoft plans to release the Surface Duo in time for the 2020 holidays. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. Samsung has brought the early noughties flip phone into the 21st century with its Galaxy Z Flip smartphone, which is a 6.7-inch flexible glass display that folds down to fit in the palm of your hand. It's an all-new foldable form factor. Small, durable, and unlike anything you've held before. Galaxy Z Flip's unique form factor is enhanced with an impossible-to-ignore color-shifting exterior in your choice of stunning hues. Galaxy Z Flip's Infinity Flex display is an immersive dynamic AMOLED screen, delivering incredible color quality and reduced blue light. With minimized bezels and no notch, it's 6.7 inches of stunning cinematic viewing. Inspired by a lotus blossom, the hideaway hinge is precisely articulated for a satisfying folding motion, even allowing you to adjust the folding angle. While sweeper technology repels dirt and dust for folds as smooth as your style, Galaxy Z Flip folds and holds its position at multiple angles, giving you the ability to capture amazing low-angle shots that play with perception for thought-provoking photos. Call it the new power pose. Its camera is powerful even at night. Seconds of long exposure shots are morphed into a work of video art with light trails. And when paired with free-stop folding acting as a tripod, Night Hyperlapse gives you a new kind of night shot. You can upgrade your voice call to a Google Duo video call and instantly experience a clearer video chatting with the 10MP front camera. When you free-stop fold, Flex Mode splits apps in half and puts the controls on the bottom half, turning the top half into a viewing area. Huawei Mate X. The Huawei Mate X is engineered to be impressively thin with the falcon wing design. This unprecedented stretchable hinge is artistically crafted to dissolve into the device for a smooth and flat finish on both sides of the device. The firm and durable design ensure the screen will not overstretch while folding or bulge and unfolding. The Huawei Mate X is declaring a new epoch for screen design that is now edge-to-edge for a real Huawei full view. Bring freedom to your eyes with a wider view and enchanting color in the bright OLED display. Unfold it in a second and use it as an 8-inch tablet. You immediately gain almost twofold of your viewing area to browse news, handle files, play games or watch videos. The synergy with a phone and tablet unlocks the future potential to enhance your life every day. With multitasking proficiency, experience boundless proficiency in split-screen mode. Now, you can drag an image to your email or write a memo while searching on the browser and overcome your work challenges more efficiently. Ushering in the 5G revolution with the Huawei Balong 5000, the world's first 7nm multi-mode 5G chipset achieves the industry-leading 5G download speed. The Huawei Mate X with Balong 5000 officially unlocks a new experience in the 5G era. The advanced dual SIM provides extensive access to 2G, 3G, 4G, 5G frequency bands around the globe. Leading the 5G evolution, Huawei Mate X also supports the standalone 5G network, which will be the mainstream solution in the future. This forward-looking technology focuses on unmatched connectivity anytime and anywhere. A harmony in photography with an integration of the rear and front cameras. Capture all your best moments and take striking selfies with the same advanced and intelligent Leica camera system. Mobile portrait photography is now a real collaboration between the photographer and their subject. The dual-screen design allows them to preview the shot in real time from both sides and contribute their creative ideas to produce a stunning portrait. With the world's fastest 55 watts Huawei Supercharge, you can charge the phone up to 85% in 30 minutes. No interruptions to your daily schedule. Huawei Mate X comes with a foldable 8-inch OLED capacitive touchscreen and has 3 cameras, one with 40 megapixels, 8 megapixels, and 16 megapixels. The foldable cover display is 6.6 inches and it uses the octa-core processor. Hey! Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Dudepedia and hit the bell icon.